Right here. Look at the beer can on the tree. See if an alligator comes up and eats his ass. What he was doing is taking a bath. Look at this. Crap. Drying his wings out. Be neat if a damn alligator come up and snatch him off that limb since he's so close to the water. Oh yeah, the fireworks, it's New Year's. They're legal down here in Florida. Florida. Alright, thought y'all might want to see that. I'm not going to make long videos no more unless people request it or comment. Leave something in the comments for me. Much love to everybody. Interesting things. I think that can up here is interesting. But you know somebody did that, man. Did that shit. I don't know what he's doing. Trying to get a mate. Alright, much love everybody. Thought you might want to see that. And that's that spot over there. It's creepy. Creepy back in there. A blurry lock.